Chancellor the Presbyterian University Ghana no your Professor John Ofosu enim nene wamo school no abopo ejije adwenkyere ene yankwankwa bi ka won ho abomu sebeye school no begina na so abrane ne bi e wo man Ghana mu Adom TV etwaso
Foswenim echwemu a ne pan so no wobeboa awese one omanfo bedi nkita ho ewo nkura wodo so no we kwan obetimi ene wo mu aka bom amempontu aba omanyi mu a woni adesuafo so bekasa no wode wo ho agye mu bi ebra adwumadi kase ba akokọ so na first vice chancellor our Presbyterian University Professor Foswenim echwemu sese suku no wo baye suku a wo yen hwehwemu pa ye beboa so hawo a ewo omanfo asetena mu ebi
bring on board is to actually get the community to be more involved in the school. We have 5 campuses all over the eastern and the Shanti regions, in Tema as well. But it appears the people in the communities don't seem to have much sort of interaction with the school. And I'm going to start, I've even started community engagement with the chiefs, with even the presbyteries where we have our campuses. You had me mentioning that we need hostels for our students. So during my tenure, I want to work very hard to ensure that we get some hostel built for the students.
Anusi Yapena moderator with the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church no Right Reverend Professor Joseph Obriabuamante, editor Vice Chancellor Yenim say, one share so better than the school no, 7 years school no betimi akore.